Missed out on Season 1 and watched others cash in on massive SOSO rewards? Time to wake up. Season 2 is officially live. Hey everyone! You probably heard the buzz around SoSoValue's Season 1 airdrop. It wasn't hype. Top earners walked away with big SOSO payouts, and now, Season 2 is your shot to ride that wave. Season 1 delivered 49 million SOSO tokens, about 4.9% of the total supply. That included 4 million via Bybit launch pool, 15 million in proof of work, and 30 million in pause rewards, rolled out over the 25th of January to the 25th of February 2025. Take it from real users. SoSoValue gave me $400 for joining just 3 days before TG during Season 1 airdrop. And the claim numbers? Over 200,000 users claimed their rewards worth a staggering $15 million in value. Some got up to $120,000 in SOSO each. What's new in Season 2? Here's what's changed. The Season 2 affiliate program is now live, with fresh mechanics, bigger impact, and more layers of reward. Crazy, right? Season 1 made believers out of skeptics. You don't want to watch another round pass you by. If you skipped Season 1, don't do the same mistake again. Join Season 2. Invite friends. Stack points. Claim your share before others do. Tokens, community, real rewards. This isn't buzz. It's proof. Season 2 is here. Will you be one of the winners or just another watcher? Step 1. Click on the link to sign up if you're a new user. If you have an account already, then click on the Join the Affiliate option. Step 2. Sign up with your active email and password. Tick the bot verification, then click on Next to continue. Step 3. Verify your email by inputting the email verification code sent to your email. Step 4. Click on the Earn EXP option to connect your socials accounts and start earning your SoSoValue daily points for the airdrop. Step 5. Copy your invite code and share it with friends, communities, or social media. Step 6. Track your points, team size, and rebates in the dashboard. Step 7. When the campaign ends by January, claim your SOSO rewards directly to your wallet. That's it. Simple. You don't need to be a pro trader or a whale. Just share, build, and watch your rewards stack up. Season 1 changed lives. Season 2 is your chance. Don't let it pass again. Click the link, join now, and start earning SoSoValue airdrop points today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick crypto wins, and share this with your friends.